Hi guys, here is a step-by-step installation of Trollstore 2 from iOS 15.5 to iOS 17.0 Apple iPhone 13 Pro. Here is the screenshot as reference. I have included the subtitles as well. First, open the settings and remove Tab Locker if you have already installed. Then open Trollstore and open Cowabunga App and Tools and enable Supervoy. Google Misaka IPA and download it. Open Trollstore and install the Misaka IPA. Open Google and search for Persistence Helper in Embedded and save in Files. Open Misaka and navigate File Manager, then var containers, bundle Xion application, and search com.apple.tips. Link in description. Click on File Overwrite and replace with Persistence Helper and reboot immediately. Google, Otadale, and install Profile iOS 17.0. Click on Install and agree and wait until it installs. Once it is reboot, set up the phone and check in Settings, iOS 17.0. Now open Trollstore app and install Persistence Helper. Now you have Trollstore 2. Now you have installed successfully. Again, install the Autoblocker beta profile from Google, so iOS 17.1.1 will not be installed. Enjoy the new Trollstore and wait until new jailbreak comes. Thank you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe.